where we're going.
Okay, so get out of the parking lot.
Are you sure we're not staying in the parking lot?
No.
Oh,
Hi guys, what's up?
Peace God, fam.
Oh, hey, that kind of stays. Wait for it to fall.
My shirt says happy.
Oh, and are you?
Yeah.
Despite everything that's been going on?
Yeah! How about we talk about that for a second?
Oh yeah, so...
Just a second,
someone's
though.
abusing their service dog.
So, once upon a time, there was somebody that I helped for several months. I've made videos on their channel. I've made videos about them on my channel a lot. Somebody that I've been making a lot of videos about on my channel and stuff like that. And I have screenshots of proof that they approved me making these videos, and they wanted me to make these videos. And they begged me to make these videos about specific things, and they told me exactly what to talk about. They told me exactly what content to use. They told me exactly what to say. And I did. And you know why I did it? I did it because I cared about them. When I met them, for being gender neutral here with pronouns that you don't know exactly who I'm talking about.
We are mucking down the street. Anyway, so we're walking to where we're going. But the person that I'm talking about, basically, the law in their state is you can't take a service dog in training in public without specific things. You have to have specific things if your dog is still in training. And this person is like, well, that's not the law because I found this. And they sent me a picture of a service dog registration website. Obviously, not ideal for somebody that is supposed to be one of my best friends. And I've been helping them for a long time, almost a year now, doing stuff, buying them gear, whatever it is they wanted. I bought them $160 worth of dog gear, and I can't return it because it's custom. So I'm gonna donate it to my new friend, which if you guys have an Instagram, go follow Sidekick Robin on Instagram. Anyway, basically what happened was that this person decided it would be a good idea to break that law. When I told them they were breaking the law, they blocked me on everything and started telling their group chats to harass me and send me death threats. They leaked my phone number. They did?
Yeah, and then, well, I'll tell you how that happened, but he leaked my phone number. He also told somebody, so there's somebody in another community. Well, I guess they're also in our community, but they're in two communities. And this other person that he's friends with made like a live video and stuff, and they were harassing me for a while, just talking about how I was being a bad person and that I was being a bad friend and stuff. And then I told them about the laws, and they were still like, well, who cares about the laws? It doesn't matter because this person has mental disabilities, so they don't have to follow the laws because it's not fair for us to expect them to listen to the laws. Anyway, so there was that. That person had my address, and they leaked that address, my address, like my school address, yeah, the university address, to a bunch of other people. And I know I'm not like that private about what university I go to. The only time that I'm really private about it is when I'm like talking about something that they did that's not that great, you know, so I keep their privacy there. But otherwise, I mean, I'm pretty open. We've got a couple videos up of us like walking around the university and stuff like that. So that's not the problem. But the problem is they leaked my full name and the address location. So somebody could find me here with that address. And with the death threats, that's not good. So I did call the police, and officers were sent to some of the people who sent death threats. And they were, you know, spoken with. But obviously still it's not okay, and I'm still getting more of them every day. I don't want to make my Instagram private because if you guys don't know, I am a professional dog trainer. I do have clients who follow me on Instagram who look at, you know, like what we're doing and stuff like that. So I don't want to make it private because I don't want people to think like, you know, that something's going wrong. And I've got screenshots of everything. So if anybody really needs proof and they don't believe me, you can email me. My email is in my business email. I say business email, but I just mean the email I use for my YouTube. It's not professional or anything. Is in the description of the video, so you can email me there. It's ninjaicecreamtruck@gmail.com. Yeah, I made it when I made the YouTube. Anyway, basically, the way they leaked my phone number is they asked me for my phone number so that their mom could call me. And I thought, oh, so his mom is just wondering what's going on. You know, I'm not going to be the person who's like not looking to help, because I was still, even at this point, looking to help him. So they sent me a message asking for that, and I sent my phone number back. And it's not like I haven't given him my phone number before. They've had my phone number before because I was kind of, I'd say for a little bit that I was like kind of a friend of their family, because I talked with their legal guardian a lot. We talked for hours at a time, like at least once a week, if not more. I've got screenshots of those phone calls too. People really need to see that, or I'll pull my phone records. So, you know, they have my phone number, but I don't know why he wanted it specifically, probably just so he could give it to people. The mom did call me, and the mom is not his legal guardian, I'll say that. The grandmother is. So his mom threatened me, basically told me, like, you know, you can't, you know, I can't believe you would threaten my daughter and my mother, like, that's so insane, like, I can't believe you would do that. No, you're not a professional dog trainer, whatever. I gave her my license number. And then she told me she was a professional dog trainer, and she said that she had bred dogs, and I was like, oh, okay, can I ask what your license number is? And she said, I don't know, it's probably somewhere in the house, I just don't know where it is. I do just want to say really quick that just because you have a license and you've taken classes and stuff like that, that doesn't make you a dog trainer, and nor does, you know, just experience. You have to have both. So if you don't have a license, that doesn't mean that you're not a dog trainer, but it does mean that there are certain things you can't train for depending on your state. So that's fine. But basically, she basically spent like 20-ish minutes on the phone just screaming at me. And when I finally explained what was going on, she apologized for blowing up and said, like, oh, you know, there's nothing, you know, she's gonna do whatever she wants with her dog because it's her dog. She told me that the mom told me that she takes her dog in public because it's her baby and she should be able to, because it doesn't matter if her dog is a service dog or not. So I didn't say anything about that, but and we have part of that phone call. I mean, we only recorded part of it, but we recorded part of the phone call. Michaela pulled out her phone, and yeah, so my side of the phone call. So if you need to hear how calm I was or whatever.
I was
calm as shit. And I thought that the prospect had a lot of potential, but it's not ready. And according to state laws, it's not ready. So anyway, that's kind of all I'm going to say on it, at least for now. I put all my evidence from basically, because, you know, I was going to make a part 3 of the timeline, stuff like that. So I put all my evidence in a Google Drive folder, took it off my phone. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I really wanted to help him. I feel heartbroken that he would just kind of like say whatever. I don't, you know, it's sad. Anyway, we're at the place where we want to be now, so here we are. Hi, Michaela.
Hi!
So, we've been here for a little bit already. I stopped recording on the phone. Oh, there's the boys. Hello! So we are going to play hide and seek with the boys. So we are going to put them in a place or a sit stay, and they are going to have to stay while we go hide, and then we will call them to us. So that's going to be really fun. I like the graffiti here. We're not doing like too many of like the steep ones, obviously, just like this little one in the middle. But we are going to play hide and seek. Arlo, you ready to play hide and seek? Oh, good boy! Okay. So here we go. So we were at the skate park for a little bit, but this guy came and he was like on his bike, so I didn't want to like mess with like him practicing or whatever, so we decided to go. So we get to boys. And we got the people. And now we are going to the actual park. Yes. And we're gonna work on some confidence building.
Look at this heel.
And some play duration. So that's what we're gonna go with that. And Noah's wearing his X-Dog vest because I figured we'd be getting a little bit of workout today, so it'd be helpful. So, woohoo! Hello. We are now going to the actual park. We played at the skate park for a little bit, but not very long. We're going to So tonight, we're probably gonna go to Walmart and get chicken. I want chicken.
We're gonna clean my room.
I'm gonna teach her how to clean your room. So I get really anxious if I'm in a place that has like. See, the thing is, your room is like kind of cluttered, if that makes sense. Mm-hmm. If I'm in a place with a ton of clutter, I freak out. Or even like a little clutter, I'm like. Charlie's gonna watch it with us though.
Yeah, no, I was gonna
say, you do realize my boyfriend does most things. Vlog probably doesn't know that. Vlog, my boyfriend does most things with me. Surprisingly, you rarely ever see him on camera. Because he's not a camera person. Okay, we're gonna go into the park. Take your shot. What do you call your dog? Yep.
Hey guys! So I'm sitting on a swing. Waiting for her to go hunting. Yeah, my dog is screwed. We're at the park. Very fun. Yeah. So yeah. Toby sees his dog. That's great. I don't know. I worked today. I've been hanging out with Gabby since. We're gonna try a bunch of different things. This park is kind of like weird. So, I mean, yeah. We gonna try some things and I'm hungry. So, yeah. I got both dogs, see? Both dogs. Hello! 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 Yeah, so, we're sitting here.
Hello. Okay, you can heal for no reason. That's fine. Or not. That's cool too. Good boy, Arlo.
He's a good boy.
He's nervous, but that's okay. I'm gonna give him some treats. Oh, good boy.
He's a good boy. Can you push us a little?
Yeah, Arlo, stay. He's a
good boy. Yeah.
Careful.
What?
Good boy, Arlo. I was gonna say careful of holding onto his collar. Oh, what a good boy. He's like still staying. He's like, yes, I can do this. I don't want him to push off, so I'm gonna have to get him down myself. Oh my gosh. Careful. It's kind of wet. Oh! Yeah, I would give up. Arlo, come.
Go. Toby, no.
Arlo, come.
Toby, come.
Arlo, come up. Come here.
Block Toby.
Hi, puppy.
Pretty toes. Good boy. Yay, Arlo. Good boy.
Come. Arlo, come.
Fine.
Arlo, come. Arlo's like, I don't know how to get there. Arlo, come.
No, Toby. We do Toby.
Toby, come.
Toby, go.
Arlo, come. Arlo, come on.
Go find her. With Gabby.
Arlo, come. Toby, come. Toby, he was so close.
You gotta come over.
Toby! Toby, 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 Toby. Toby, come!
Go find. Go get her. Come on, Toby. Oh, big girl. Toby, I'm a big girl. Hi. He's like, yeah. Toby! Look at me! Toby!
Rough life.
Alright, let's try something else.
Good boy, Arlo. Hi, Toby. Arlo! Okay, come.
Oh my god. This is really scary. This is actually scary. I'm like trying to make it happen like so. The first time was terrifying because I like pushed it back and I was like, ah!
You gonna do it again?
Well, let's try this.
Hello, boys. Break. As you can see, it's getting dark, and we went on this walk yesterday, and I think, Michaela, you're gonna put that vlog on your channel, right? From yesterday? Yeah, so we took a vlog yesterday for her channel of us like doing a walk at night, and the boys look crazy. Toby, Arlo, come. Look at their eyes, like shit. It looks wild. Oh my god, Potsy, get down.
Huh?
I said, Potsy, get down. No! Ah. Well, you can do it. Yay! Good boy, Arlo! It's dark, but now we go in the Walmart. Hello? Can you see me? Nope, you can't. Hey, beach. Okay, bye. Hooligans! Hooligans, can we leave? Hooligan! Oh, you crazy beaches! Can we go? Can we go? Oh my god, they're eating each other. Oh my god. Alright, let's get the monsters in the car. Guy left that golden retriever in the car. Hi, buddy. Yeah, Golden's not very happy. Okay, ready? Cool. So we're over here. Just getting our blood pressure checked. We got the chicken. We're getting mashed potatoes, potato wedges. We're getting some good food. And then I got the boys. And then we're gonna head home. Right, buddy? Good boy. Very excited.